Animal Detector is an AI prototype that helps prevent wildlife vehicle collisions. You can upload or capture an image of an animal, and the AI will identify which species to emit an ultrasonic signal to deter the wildlife. The dataset comes from Kaggle, and it was built with Teachable Machine and GPT Engineer. So I'm going to upload a picture of an armadillo. You can hear a sound was emitted in this range of 1 to 4 kilohertz, and it's 100% confident that was an armadillo. I'm going to upload a possum. And there's a possum that detects a different sound when it detects a different animal. Deers as well, 2 to 5 kilohertz. Cats are higher pitch, 48 to 85. Here's a squirrel, and it detects that as a squirrel. There is a log, so I can actually see all the animals that it has detected and what kilohertz it is signaling at. The idea is that this is an app that can be integrate into a device that can actually deter animals from roads, from preventing them from going into the roads to prevent animal vehicle collisions. So how this was built. This is the data set we use from Kaggle. This is one, for example, that has about 3 gigabytes of animals. It's a lot of pictures of animals. Try to mostly focus on animals that you'd see maybe on the side of the road or go into the road, such as deers. So there's about 900 images of deers and about 600 images of cats. We also use this data set too, another 9 different animals, just so we can kind of split it up. A lot of these images do seem to be scraped from Google image search results. The data was then trained in Teachable Machine, where I created these classifications of deer, squirrel, armadillo, opossum, cat, dog, raccoon, and rabbit for just a very simple data set. This is an example actually of showing an incorrect animal, like how would it identify something that's not trained in the data set, such as a hog. But after it was trained for 50 APOCs with a batch size of 16. This only took about 90 seconds to train. So if I were to upload a picture, say a picture of a deer, it recognizes that as a deer. So there's just a very quick way to view the AI model. And we use this Teachable Machine and we embedded it. So this is like what the embedded version looks like. So let me try this again, try it with a possum. It recognizes that's an opossum. So this is the back end of the website, and it was built with GPT Engineer. So GPT Engineer is this really nice prototyping tool that allows me just to type in essentially what I want the front end to look like, and I can kind of debug problems that I have with it on the fly. And I was able to create this front end of I wanted an image upload button as well as a camera button. So here's an example of the camera. I'm creating the camera. I could get it to work if I say if I hold up a picture of a rabbit. Let's see if this will work. It found a rabbit and it emitted the sound. So the camera view as well as a photo upload, and then the log as well. We'll have a log based on whenever you're on here. And there's a clear history button so you can clear the history.